All right, we know that 10 pounds of apples and 2 pounds of grapes cost $12. And I'm trying to figure out the cost per pound of apples. So I'm trying to find A. And I've let A be the cost per pound for apples and G is cost per pound for grapes. So if you look at clue 1, it says the cost per pound of grapes was, so that tells us that G equals 2. And that works because I can write an equation for what's given. 10 pounds at the cost of however much an apple is per pound plus 2G, 2 pounds times the cost of grapes gives me $12. So in clue 1, I could just plug this 2 in here and I can solve for A, and that gives me the answer. Remember, with data sufficiency, you do not have to find the answer. You just want to figure out if the clue gives you enough information to answer the question. So clue 1 works. Forget about clue 1. Let's look at clue 2. Clue 2 says the cost of 2 pounds of apples, that'd be 2A, was less than the cost of 1 pound of grapes. Well, I can't solve that for A. I can solve it A and turn to G, but you can't do it. So clue 2 doesn't work. Only clue 1 works. The answer's A.